Cable railing is a popular style of modern railing systems. It is easy, affordable and low maintenance. The budget could be as low as $10 per foot. It replaces traditional balusters with stainless steel cable to get a better look and simplify the installation. With a cable railing system, you can now finally enjoy the open view on the deck. It is easy to build a cable railing system all by yourself. Generally, only a few materials are needed if you already have a wood frame. Just pick up your phone and get it done in 3 steps. Step 1. Contact us. Our experts can do all the design work for you and send you a shopping list. Step 2. Just follow the list to buy everything you need in 3 minutes. Step 3. Follow our videos to install them. Our experts can do all the planning, designing, and budget work for you without extra charging. You just need to follow the shopping list to buy everything in 3 minutes. When you receive the materials, just follow our videos to install them. Cable railing is easy to DIY and quite affordable. Please feel free to call us for a quote.
Muzata.